What's going on? And welcome back to another video with me. In this session, we are going to cover what is Databricks. Basically, a Databricks is a platform that makes working with big data easier. It's like a powerful toolbox for data scientists and engineers, helping them analyze data, build machine learning model, and automate data processing tasks. So, what is Databricks? Databricks is basically a platform that makes working with big data easier. So work, if you want to work with a big data, that time a platform which is known Databricks. Databricks is a platform that makes working easier when you work with big data. It's like a powerful toolbox. A Databricks is actually a toolbox for data scientists and engineers, the data engineers, helping them analyze data, build machine learning models, and automate data processing tasks. These all will be done with the help of Databricks. So if you want to build a machine learning model, so Databricks is a platform for you to build machine learning models as well. And if you want to automate data, some processing tasks, automation tasks with data, that time the Databricks is for you to use it. This will help us to do this in simplest and easy way. If we see the key features of Databricks provide us Apache Spark. Think of this as a super fast calculator for data. It can crunch numbers and performs complex calculation and massive data sets. And then the Databricks will provide us Delta Lake. This is like a secure wallet for your data. It keeps your data safe and reliable even if something goes wrong. And also the Databricks will provide us ML Flow. This is your model manager. It helps you track and organize your machine learning models. And also, what can you do with the Databricks? If you have a Databricks, what you can do with this Databricks? Analyze data, find patterns and insights in your data, build models. With the help of Databricks, you will definitely build models, create machine learning models to make predictions, and then you will, as a data engineer, you will create a pipelines which automate data processing tasks. Let's see the key features of Databricks in Apache Spark. The first one is Apache Spark, a fast and general purpose cluster computing system that can handle a wide variety of big data workloads, including batch processing, streaming data, machine learning, and graph processing. With the help of Apache Spark, you will handle big data workloads and include batch processing, streaming data, machine learning, and graph processing. So the Databricks have the another key features are Delta Lake, a storage layer. Delta Lake is basically a storage layer that provides ACID transaction schema, enforcement and time travel capabilities of data lakes. It builds on top of Apache Parquet and provides a reliable and scalable foundation for data warehousing and analytics. So the next one is ML Flow, a platform for managing the machine learning lifecycle, including experimentation, tracking, model deployment, and model integrity. It helps data scientists and machine learning engineers collaborate and streamline their workflows. So these are some key components of Databricks. The first one is Apache Spark, and the second one is Delta Lake, and the third one is ML Flow. These are the key components of Databricks. You will read more about this, and if you see the benefit of using Databricks, Databricks will help you to simplify development and deployment. With the help of Databricks, provide a user-friendly interface and manage infrastructure, making it easier to develop, test, and deploy big data applications. Enhanced collaboration. Databricks support collaboration among data scientists, data engineers, and analysts, enabling teams to work together more effectively. This all will done with the help of Databricks platform. Improved productivity. Databricks integrated platform and automation capabilities help organizations improve their productivity and time to market. Scalability and performance is the benefit of using Databricks. Databricks can scale to handle large datasets and complex workloads, ensuring the organization can meet their growing data. These are some benefit of using Databricks. I hope this will make sense for you. Let's see what are the use cases of Databricks. If you want to learn Databricks as a tool to work with big data, so what are the use cases for Databricks? As you see in this slide, you will see you have use cases for Databricks. Data warehousing and analytics. You will use Databricks for your data warehousing task and analytics. Databricks can be used to build data warehouses and performs complex analytics tasks on large datasets. And if you build some machine learning model, then Databricks is for you. Databricks provides a platform for developing and deploying machine learning models, including deep learning and natural language processing. The natural language processing (NLP) and the data engineering task. You will use Databricks for your data engineering task as well. Databricks can be used to build and manage data pipelines for ingesting, processing, and transforming data, and as well as you will use for real-time analytics with the help of Databricks. Databricks can be used to process and analyze streaming data in real time, enabling organization to make timely decisions with the help of real-time analytics. So all this done with the help of Databricks. I hope you will like this session. If any doubt you know, please comment. I am here to teach you Databricks in simplest and easy way. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.